But what's inside? That's cool, huh? And it comes with instructions on the back. So here is the on and off switch. A close look at Poli. Okay, it seems like there's no batteries, so I'll just get the handy toolkit. Luckily, this came with some batteries. A stock full of them. You want to put it in? Oh look, already comes with 2 batteries, see? Ta-da! So lucky me. Comes with 2 batteries.
And to see it.
Yeah.
It's very low.
Yeah, these are batteries. They're small batteries. As you can see, there's a forward button here, and there's a back button. Okay, so when you press this, it moves the car forward, and if you press this one, it moves the car back. So let's see if it works.
To rest. He wakes up. He wakes up.
Whoa!